Good morning, children. Last time we were discussing about the agricultural practices, and in that we saw the first point as the preparation of the soil. How the farmer prepares the soil first before sowing of the seeds. Okay, so we have studied about the preparation of the soil. Now the second point that we are going to study is the sowing. What is the meaning of sowing? Sowing means wow. Whatever seeds the farmer is going to buy, whatever he has to put in the soil. Okay, so that is known as sowing. Now open page number 4. Sowing is an important part of the crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. So whenever we have to do the sowing, the seeds which the farmer has to buy should be of very good quality. Right? Why it has to be of good quality? Because if the seeds are of good quality, then whatever crop is growing and whatever production we get, that also will be of good quality. If you take poor quality seeds, then the production also will be very poor. So it's very important for the farmers that he has to, or he or she has to select the seeds in a proper way. Farmers prefer to use the seeds which give the yield. Yield means the production. Okay. Are there seeds which, now selection of the seeds. Okay. Now what we have to do is that take some seeds and just put them in water. Okay. When you put them in water, you will observe that some seeds will float on the surface and the remaining 80 to 90% of the seeds will sink in the water, and there will be some seeds which float on the water. Okay, so you see activity 1.1. Take a beaker and fill half of it with water and put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Stir well means you have to just keep on moving it with some spoon or something and wait for some time. Are there seeds which float on the water? Would those be lighter or heavier, or those which sink? Why they would be lighter? Damaged seeds become hollow and thus are lighter, therefore they float on the water. The seeds which are damaged, what will happen? They become hollow, means the air goes inside it. Hollow means andar kaano padi jai, right? There will be, because of that hole inside, the air will enter, and when the air enters, the seed will become light in weight. So they will float on the water. So the farmer understands that all the seeds which are floating on the water, they are the damaged seeds. So when he sows it in his farm, he removes all these damaged seeds. Because children, what will happen if he will sow the damaged seeds, then the production of that crop will not be of good quality, right? Okay, this is a good method for separating good healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing the seeds. Okay, so the first thing that we saw is the farmer prepares the seed, prepares the farm. After the preparation of the soil is done, he goes on the next step, that is sowing. So for sowing, what is important? That the seeds should be of good quality. How does he separate the quality of the seeds? By putting them in water, and whichever seeds are floating on the surface of the water, he removes them, because he comes to know that those seeds are damaged, right? Okay, so now the seeds are decided that which seeds are to be sown. Now with the help of which tools, or which tools will the farmer use for sowing the seeds? Let us see that. So the traditional tool. What is the traditional tool? Okay, the traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce the soil and place the seeds over their funnel. What is the shape of the funnel? It is like this. Okay. So this, right? And this is joined to a pipe which has got the holes in it, and then they are pierced inside the soil, and the seeds are, as soon as that pipe is pierced inside the soil, the seed is placed over there. Okay? These ends pierce into the soil and place the seeds over there. So that is the one way, is the traditional way. The second is the seed drill, which is the second tool for sowing. It is the seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. With the help of tractors, the seed drill is attached to the tractors, and then as and when the tractor moves forward in the farm, the seeds get sown. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. Sowing of seeds also is very important. The way in which you sow, it should be at a proper depth on the soil. Suppose this is the soil, right? So if one seed is sown over here, then it should be sown at equal distance and equal depth. Okay, equal distance means here and here the distance between these two seeds, then from this and this, then from this and this should be same. This is the correct way. Suppose if this is the soil, then one seed is over here, then one is over here, then one is over here, then again here, and this is the wrong, because the depth is more or less and the distance also is different, right? So sowing of seeds is important in a way that it should be done at proper and equal depths and equal distance. Okay? This protects the seeds from being eaten by the birds. Right? The farmer sows it at a proper depth. Why? Because the birds, if it is very superficial means on the surface of the farm or the soil, what happens? The birds will come and take away the seeds. Right? So to protect it from the birds, the farmer sows the seeds at proper depth of it. Right? Okay. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. Saves time and labor. Why does it save time and labor? Because it is done by the tractor. So tractor is a machine. So what does it do? It makes the work very fast. Understood? So the second point of the agriculture practice is sowing, where sowing of good quality seeds is done with the help of traditional tool or a seed drill. Okay? Then the next is adding manure and fertilizer. The next practice is adding manure. What is the meaning of manure? Anybody? Manure means khatar. Right? Manure means khatar. You must have heard about that word khatar. Okay. So the third one is adding manure or fertilizer. Now why this adding of manure or fertilizer is done? It is done to improve the quality of the soil. In soil there are some components which are not present, they are absent, and due to its absence the crop which we have grown will not grow in its proper way, right? So adding the manure or fertilizer improves the quality of the soil and thereby improving the quality of the crop which the farmer is growing. Okay? The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of the plants is called manure and fertilizers. Okay? Soil supplies minerals, nutrients to the crop plants. These nutrients are essential for the growth of the plants, and in certain areas farmers grow crop after the crop in the same field. The field is never left uncultivated or fallow. Imagine what happens to the nutrients. You imagine what happens. Suppose if you have